Bueno, good morning. My name is Natalia García Jaramillo. I live in Free Union. I am from Sevilla, Valle del Cauca. I am 27 years old. I am a student residency in pharmacy. I am free time. I like to read. The activity I do every day is spending time with my daughter. Breakfast every day to have very good health. I am an independent person and I work from home. I sell my car. I prepare food. I usually make rice for lunch. I eat at home since I don't work. After student, I start to do I hope. I always have dinner like this in afternoon. I go to it at 10 p.m. On weekend, I travel to my mom's. I like to go out to eat equestrian and walk. The typical food of acá de Sevilla is the sancocho. The main celebration here in Sevilla Valle is the Bandola Festival. Thus, I thank you very much for your attention.